Welcome to Code with Miracle channel. Today we are going to learn what is function in Python. Before that, let's understand why we need function. If you want to use block of code in same file or different file, then you want to repeat or rewrite the code like how I did here. Here you can say I've used a print statement twice to do the same thing, like I want to print hello with the name, and this will cause duplicate. Here you can see like I have duplicated these lines, and if you want to update your code, then you need to update in all your places. Say I want to update it to high, then I need to update on both the places. Now let's understand what is function. It is a block of code which will only run when it is called. I hope you have understood, like the block of code will run only when you call it. I will show this example in this video. First, let's understand the advantages of using function. It gives us an opportunity to reuse the code. It divides complex program into smaller one. It increases program readability. It reduces the chances of error, because if you want to update the code, it would be on a single place, so you can easily update, so that you can avoid the errors, and modifying the program becomes easier. Now let's see an example. To create a function, first you need to use a keyword. It's a def, which is to define the function in Python. Then you need to specify the function name. Here my function name would be greet, so I'm going to type greet. It will take an argument, so I'm going to pass the argument. It would be name, and I'm going to print. Here I'm going to use print. Inside that I'm going to write hello. Then I'm going to use this variable name. Let me try to fix this typo error. Now it is fixed. Like instead of repeating the print statement, now you just need to call this greet function which we created. Now here we need to pass the variable name. First I'm going to pass person1 name, then on the next line I'm going to call it the greet function again. This time I'm going to pass it with person2. That's it. Now let's try to save and run our code. We should see hello Ram, hello Raju. Here you can see it is showing, so it is working fine. Now let's understand what is global and local variable. Say if you are defining a variable, like I'm going to define a variable called age with value 12. Now here I can use that age variable. Now if I try to run my code, it will print the name along with age. Here you can see it has printed. Now if I want to access this age outside of this function, let me show you that. I'm going to use a print, then I'm going to pass the variable name age. Let's save and run our code. Here you can see it is saying age is not defined, because you have defined the age inside a block of code. That is we call as local variable. If you specify it outside, like how I'm going to do now, I'm going to do now like age equal to 14, just to differentiate between them. Now if I try to run my code, here you can see it will print age as 14, but the age which is mentioned inside the function will be 12, because it overrides the global variable. This is how we use global and local variable. Now here is the bonus. If you want to get the list of built-in function which is already available in your Python, for that let me show you in Python interpreter. I'm going to open it by using Python command. Then I'm going to use import building. It's a module. Now I just need to use uh, it's an directory. It's a built-in function. Let's try to pass this built-in. Let me type built-ins. If I hit enter, here you can see it is giving me the output. Here you can see I have a list of built-in functions. from ABS, that is absolute to zip. It's all or comes under built-in function. If you are interested to learn built-in function, please check the comment or the description of this video. You can get the link to the built-in function series. Thanks for watching.